Hanging out in Estes Park for the weekend, Stanley Hotel, drinking some bourbons, the vault. Walked outside my hotel room with a drink. I'm ready to go to dinner, and look what's eaten right in the courtyard of the motel. Look at the size of that guy. Welcome to Estes Park. Everybody seeing this? That is a 6x6. He is definitely ready to herd. Tons of cows. I see one other bull, just a 2-point youngling, standing way away from the big guy. He's over there now in the corner. There's some babies over there laying down. I'll take a picture of that. Let's go back to him. Look at that. One a shelf, one a glass.